ISUZU D-Max 2023 DPF SCR EGR Delete. Vehicle information. Brand ISUZU D-Max. Year 2023. ECU EDC17C83 plus DCU17PC43. Service DPF SCR and EGR Delete. Problem: check engine light on, the truck in derate mode. Solution: DPF, SCR, and EGR were disabled by modifying the ECU file. After that, the modified file was written.